In this video, we will walk you through how to use the updated invoice generation tool for lot payments, including how to set up your company details and create payment invoices. To begin, go to the Settings section and open the Company Details tab. Here you can add the details of your organization. This is the main information block that will be used when generating invoices. Fill in all required fields. Company name, address, logo, stamp, and signature, optional, will be embedded into the invoice template. Also provide bank account details, responsible employee. Number of payment days. This value will be added to the invoice creation date and shown as the payment due date. You can activate or deactivate the company details and choose one of the 3 available invoice templates. A separate field allows you to set the company name that will be displayed in the invoice. Payment purpose and variables. In the payment purpose section, you can use system variables to automatically insert deal-related data such as car make and model, year of manufacture, VIN number, buyer name, buyer number, lot number. These values will appear in the body of the invoice and will be correctly used in the payment purpose line. Once you have saved your company details, you can proceed to create an invoice for the lot payment. This can be done from any of the 3 pages: Invoices page, the central section for all issued invoices, Auctions page, with a list of all purchased lots on the connected accounts, My Purchases page, a list of all acquired lots. On the selected page, click the Invoice Creation button, enter the VIN of the vehicle, select the desired company from the saved list, and fill in the payer details, first and last name, document number, address if needed. After clicking the Save button, the system will automatically generate an invoice using your company's saved details. The option to generate invoices using the auction's own details is also available in the system. To create such an invoice in the recipient field, select Auction when choosing a company. You will then be able to select the appropriate auction account and choose between Copart or Insurance Auto Auctions accounts. The tool supports invoice creation using either your company's details or the auction's details, Copart or Insurance Auto Auctions. Thank you for your attention.